Welcome to part 3 of my self-tanner tutorial. This is the results after only 1 hour, guys. I am like super impressed with the Australian Glow Tanner. Like literally love, it's such an even glow and it's dark but not too dark. Obsessed. So to maintain this beautiful tan and make it last a full week, which is normally how long I leave my self-tanner on for before I reapply a new coat, you're gonna moisturize from head to toe every day and every night. This is my go-to moisturizer, the Hempz Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. Literally can't beat it. So head to toe, moisturize every night. And when it starts to get a little flaky, you start getting patches, because you will, it's temporary. You're gonna use the Tropez Tan Remover. So this is just a liquid and you're going to rub it all over your body. What it does is it makes the tan really easily come off in the shower. So it kind of preps your body for the shower. And when you get in the shower, you just take that same exfoliating mitt that you exfoliated with in the beginning to rub off all of the tanner from your body. And then once you have it all off, you are ready to do a new coat and redo this whole process all over again, as long as you want to maintain the self-tanner. As always, you can get all these products at a discount right here at eCosmetics. Bye guys.